Yo, Mac, this beat crazy.
Hey guys, how you doing? We're going to be buttoning up Jacob's 2006 4Runner. We had this in the shop for a full wrap, done in Texas Vampire Black. We stripped the whole truck, removed the flares, mirrors, handles, and did a full wrap on it. The color turned out beautiful, and we also were mounting up some Bilstein struts, Freedom off-road uppers, and fitting up some new wheels that he got. We did some clear tail lights, full LED conversion, looking pretty fly. So you guys check it out. Let us know how you like it.